How to find your Wi-Fi password in Windows 11. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can find your Wi-Fi password. For this, click on the Start menu and here you want to search for Control Panel. Then click on this. Once you have opened Control Panel, click on Category and then select large icons from here. Now click on Network and Sharing Center option. Here, you have the option of connections. Now you want to click on your connection type over here. Now you want to go ahead and click on the properties option. Now there might be a wireless properties button over here. Go ahead and click on that. Then you want to click on the configure option. Now I'm on the Ethernet, so I don't have the wireless properties button, but if you have wireless there, go ahead and click on that. Now a new window should open up. There you want to click on the security tab. Now there should be a checkbox that says show characters. You want to check that box and it will show whatever the network security key is. So in this way you can find your password in Windows 11, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.